Hey, it's Phil Rivers again. I'm doing an update on the Glock 17 upgrades that I've done since the last time last time I had just put on the extended magazine release, the extended takedown pins, and the extended slide release. This time I've also got in the tungsten heavy-duty guide rod, and I also gave it a trigger job, the 25-cent Glock trigger job. You can see the striker pin there, and you can see a little bit on the cross member there that I did polish those up. And since then I've also put in the ZevTech competition spring kit, which actually brought it down to about a 3.5 pound trigger pull. And so I already looked at these guide rods. The factory is 3/8 of an ounce, and this tungsten guide rod is 1 5/8 of an ounce. So it's a lot heavier, and according to the package it should reduce recoil and put you back on target quicker. So we'll see how that works. The other thing I've done is I've added extended mag well on the bottom. It's a Gen 3 mag well, and it's to help the speed and reload. But put that tungsten guide rod in, and it does make a difference, I think, in pulling it back. It seems to have a heavier spring. But like I said, the benefit will hopefully be less recoil and put it back on target quicker. Thanks. Till we meet again.